Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to make text bigger in Character AI. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Character AI and log into your account, your Character AI account. So here now, once I'm logged in here, so if I want to make my text bigger while chatting, for example, let me chat with this AI here. So just open up a chat box here. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so when I'm going to chat, so this is my normal text size here, so I'm going to type, so that's the normal size here. So if I want to make it bigger, so what I can do, so I'm going to click on this hash space and then type in whatever that I want to type, for example, hi again, and I'll see that my text size is now bigger. So that's how you make it bigger. So you just have to type in hash and then type in whatever you want to, whatever the command or you want to talk, and then if you hit on enter and you see that the text size is now bigger, and that's how you can make your text size bigger on Character AI. And I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.